Hi friends, I'm Rovina. Welcome to Spices and Aromas. Today I'm going to show you how to clean and devein prawns. It's essential to wash the prawns in 3 rounds of water or till you see clear water after washing the prawns. The reason for this is the prawns are often not cleaned after removing the shells and deveining them. This video is for beginners and I am going to demonstrate 3 different ways of deveining the prawns. So first, hold the prawn in your left hand, squeeze the head portion and twist it off. Then press near the tail and pull it off. The outer shell should easily come off. The shell is removed. Now let's devein it. First, pull the vein with your thumb and the pointer finger. The second method to devein the prawn is using a toothpick. Put a toothpick at the back of the prawn and pull out the vein. It comes out easily. Third method is using a knife. Slit the back portion and remove the vein. It's very important to devein the prawns because the vein or the digestive tract can contain grit or sand which is harmful if consumed. Now the prawns are ready to cook. Try your favorite recipes and cook these prawns. As I mentioned earlier, do not wash the prawns once you remove the shell and devein it, as it may lose some of the flavors. I hope this video will be useful to you. Please write to me in the comments section. Until we meet next time, happy cooking!